Happy birthday, Tisel. Alam mo naman na sa mga kapatid mo lalaki, ako yung pinakagwapo, diba? Hello, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong na binigay mo sa amin, sa pamilya natin, alam mo naman kung gaano ka namin kamahal. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo, and I hope makamit mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Yun. Sana magkita pa tayo lahat ulit. Yun yung wish ko sa birthday mo. Birthday mo yung ako nag-wish. Happy birthday ulit, Tisel. Ingat ka. I love you. Happy birthday, Ate Sheila.
Hi, Ate Sheila. Happy birthday. Stay safe, good health, and God bless. Sana okay kayo dyan sa lalo. We miss you.
Love you.
Hello guys, pangatlong take na to. So, for today's video, I would like to greet babatiin ko lang ang aking sister na si Chantal Piet sa kanyang kaarawan, at napaka-bless ko to have her as my sister. Very loving po siya, thoughtful, at napakabait, at siyempre, it's my honor na taging ate niya ako. Kasi napakabait niyang kapatid. And that's all. Sis, I love you at alam mo yan. At ito pa bang i-wish ko sa'yo? Of course, good health and more birthdays to come. Yun lang. I love you. Happy birthday again.
Hello, Mami. Happy birthday. Love you. Ingat ka lagi.
Happy birthday, Mami. Wish you all the best.
Russell, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good health and stay beautiful. Love you.
Hi, Tisel.
Hello. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo dyan palagi ni Kuya Hotter. Dapat lagi kayong maayos. Dapat di nagkakasakit. Na-appreciate namin lahat ng ginawa nyo, kaya salamat doon. Salamat sa lahat. Yun lang.
Wala akong nasabi. Ingat na lang, Tisel. God bless.
And God bless.
Have a nice day. Yun lang.
Happy birthday.
Mahal namin kayo.
Happy birthday to Cecil. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Cecil.
Happy birthday, Tita Cecil.
Happy birthday, Tita Cecil. More birthdays to come.
For birthdays to come.
Hello, Ate Sel. Happy birthday. Wish you more blessings and ingat ka lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Ate Sel. Wish you more blessings and miss ka na namin. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Ate Sel. Miss na kita. Miss ka na namin. Ingat ka palagi dyan.
Representative kami ng Bangonan family. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sel. More blessings to come. Makadto naman ko sa Holland. Kayo sa amo. Ingat.
Birthday, Tita Cecil. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Cecil! God bless! We love you!
Hi, good day. It's your day today. Every good gift comes from above. May your day be filled with joy and laughter. Enjoy it. May God bless you more. Happy birthday, my dear pamangkin Shiela. I love you.
Hello, Ma'am Cecil. Happy birthday! Una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa pagkakataon na nagtrabaho ako dito sa inyo. Tinanggap niyo ako bilang isang tao, bilang isang kaibigan, bilang isang kapamilya. Hindi mo ako tinuturing na ibang tao. Maraming salamat din sa 5 taon na pag-celebrate mo sa akin ng birthday dito. Dito ko naramdaman ang pagmamahal ng isang pamilya. Pangalawa, maraming salamat din sa mga bagay, lalo na sa pinansyal, kasi minsan pag kailangan ko ng pera, andyan kayo nag-support. Marami ding salamat sa mga bagay na binigay mo sa akin. Hindi ko yun makakalimutan, habang buhay ko yung babaonin. At happy birthday! Wish ko sa imuhan na sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming taon na mag-celebrate sa birthday mo. Good health always. God bless you kasama ni Sir. Again, happy birthday and thank you so much. Love you.
Hi Ma'am Shi, happy birthday. Wish you good health and may God bless you. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan po. Happy birthday again.
Hi Shi, happy birthday. Wishing you another year of happiness, joy, and good health. Enjoy this beautiful day and God bless you. Again, happy birthday.
Yes! Ayan, so, pasensya na ha, medyo na-delay yung ating video. Ayan, pero syempre, huli man, di ba sabi nga, hahabol pa rin. Ayan, so, hindi ko na matagalin pa. Happy and blessed birthday sa'yo. Alam mo, hindi ka mukhang 36 eh, no? Kaya, ayun, more younger years para sa'yo and sa family mo. And I just hope and pray na kung ano man yung mga pinagkakabalahan mo, diba? Kung ano man yung mga gifts sa'yo ni Lord, nawa ay talagang mas magamit mo yan ay para sa glory niya, diba? Para sa purpose mo, diba? Purpose natin lahat dito sa mundo. Ayan, so thank you for inviting me for this kind of video. Grieving para sa'yo. It's a pleasure for me, Beth. And yun nga, even yung family mo, I am continuously praying na nawa ay maiprotekta kayo ni Lord sa lahat-lahat, especially sa nangyayari sa atin sa mundo. Alam mo naman, diba? So, may the hands of the Lord be upon your family, maiprotect kayo, at patuloy kayong i-bless at i-guide in every endeavor na gagawin pa ninyo. Okay? So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Hoping na sooner or later magkita ulit tayo kasi medyo parang matagal na yung huli, diba? Ayun. So, yun lang. Ingat ka palagi and may the Lord be upon you. Lagi ka naman niyang protektahan at i-comfort in Jesus' name. Bye, Bash! Love you with all the love of the Lord. Bye! Happy birthday!
Hi, sis! Happy birthday! I love you and I miss you. Thank you sa friendship natin. Tagal na. Sana wag ka magbago. More blessings and more happiness in life. Love you!
Hi, Ate She. Happiest birthday to you. I wish that you will have a long life and that you will stay healthy all the time. And I wish to see you soon. And yeah, be happy and enjoy your day. Happy birthday to She again. Love you.
Hi Crazy, it's Bimbi hier. Van harte gefeliciteerd met je verjaardag. Hip voor de piep, hoera! Hip voor de piep, hoera! I hope to see you soon. Happy birthday!
Hello everyone, and hello to our Super Darna and our mentor and our pinakamabait na nilalang sa buong mundo. My sis is Chantal Piet. Happy birthday to you. You know what, sis? I'm very lucky to have you, Nimrod, and Ate Ann. Even though ever since hindi ko nakakausap si Ate Ann, but I can feel the love and support from her as I can see you both. I wish you all the love and support in this universe, all the love and happiness in this universe. And happy birthday! All of this you really deserve. Kasi super bait ka. Bakit ka super bait mo, ano? So, happy birthday, sis! Happy birthday to you. And stay safe always. And God bless you. I love you. Hope to see you soon. Bye!
Hello, Chantal Piet. Hello, Super Darna. Ayan. I just want to say happy. Ayan, dapat happy lang. Ayan, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. It's your birthday na at nagkataon pa na, syempre, birthday Grand LS. This is the first time na gagawin mo to at I hope na maging masaya ka on your birthday. Ayan, so magkakasama tayo sa grand live stream mo kasi syempre makikisaya at makikilaro ako sa iyong grand LS. So, I just wanna say happy birthday and more birthdays to come in your life and more success to your business and for your love life, for being a YP of your hubby, Walter. So, wish ko lang na masaya kayo palagi and ayan nga, very cool. So, thank you, Chantal Piet, kasi may nakilala kita dito sa YT. Hindi lang kilala, pwede na rin kita maging friend at pwede mo na din ako maging friend. So, we are friends. So, again, happy birthday and enjoy your birthday. And, ayan, sana wag kang magsawa sa akin na palagi kitang inaasar na Super Darna. Kasi naman talagang ikaw si Super Darna kasi lahat kaya mong gawin. Kaya mo pagsabayin lahat-lahat. So, ayan, thumbs up ako sa iyo. So, again, happy birthday and thank you. Thank you for being there always to support me and siguro matagal pa tayo magkakasama dito sa YT. So, continue your good attitude and being a supportive leader. So, thank you so much and happy birthday. Enjoy! Bye!
Hi Sheila! Happy birthday! I hope that you'll have more blessings and success, and I hope that you'll always be healthy and you will never change. Stay the kindest person I know.